an example on a demand service type of call, and you go out there, talk to the homeowner, determine the furnace is 12 years old and the inducer motor needs to be replaced, but you want to quote an inducer motor. You want to quote, you ask the customer, how old's your air conditioner? I say it's the same age as the furnace. So you want to quote a system, and then you want to quote that same system, but with cleaner air options. So let's dive right into it. So option number one, we're going to title that as need to do. Okay. Then we're going to go into our price book here. We're going to click on heating and air. We're going to find our furnace repairs. This is a motor, inducer motors. We're going to go to PSC motor repair, and this includes a pressure control switch. We're going to add the job. Okay. We're going to add option, and we're going to call this our, and this is, situation here is, like I said, this customer has a 12-year-old system, but they're intending to move within the next 5 years. Okay. So we don't want to oversell the job, but we do want to offer them a cleaner air option so that they can enjoy cleaner air for the remainder of the 5 years they're going to be there. But we also don't want to oversell them into something that they're not going to benefit from, right? So standard system replacement option. Or let's change it to choice, like the word choice. So we're going to create. So we're going to go into our price book. They have a 2.5 ton system, heating and cooling, right? We're going to go down to heating and air, 2.5 ton. We're going to choose our standard system. We're going to add that to the job. Okay. Now, what I'm going to do here is I have a calculator on my other screen, and it's for 60 months. So I'll just say per month. We know it's for 60 months. And we're going to take this total here, $54.99. We're going to go out to here. I'll log myself back in here. Let's see here. That price was how much again? $54.99 for a payment estimator. We're going to pull up the low interest plan. We're going to do $54.99. Calculate. That's going to show us a monthly payment of $103.75. So in here, not here, we're going to do 103 and I think it was 75 cents. Okay. Now, we want to quote the same system, but we want to add on some indoor air quality options, right? So we're going to click on this. We're going to do copy to new option. Okay. Copy attachments via photos. Copy. And we're going to name this, rename this one, a system replacement with cleaner air. Rename. Now I know it's hard to see here, but you'll see why that's important in a minute. This is going to change, but we're going to add service item, price book, heating and air, air quality. We're going to do, let's throw an air cleaner on here. Let's pick a 1210 and a job. And then let's also add a purifier. So we got service, heating and air quality, air purifier. Do that. Put it there. Now we're going to grab our total, $69.48.99. $69.48.99. All right, I should put that down so I don't forget it. Okay, payment. Let's see, same plan. Put in our amount, which we had, which was. Let's double check that again here. $69.48.99. $69.48.99. Let's go to six. Let me just round up. It's only a penny. Okay. Payment option changed. $131.10 a month. Okay. So we go into here. 10 a month. Okay. So now what we did is we built our need to do option. We're giving them choices. They can fix it. Just replace the AC furnace. They can replace the AC furnace with a filter. Well, why don't we add another option? Let's call this one our Supreme with cleaner air. Create. And this one will do let's do an inverter system. And go to systems. I think it was this size. Do an inverter. Add the job. And then we're going to do this with cleaner air. So this one will add let's do another air cleaner. Let's take, wrong one. Let's do a secure air. Add the job. And with that one, we don't necessarily need, because the type of filter this is, we don't really need an air purifier, but we would benefit by using by having a powered humidifier. So on air quality, humidifiers, choose the powered option, add the job. So this one, I'll take the monthly payment option, because again, this didn't carry over because we didn't copy, we just created a whole new thing here. Now we can add another one even. Okay, so on this one here, we got to remember this particular system receives a $1,000 instant rebate currently. So we want to take our $1,000 off before we figure out our monthly. Update. So now our monthly goes to $10,858. Jump back into here. I gotta remember to do this. Let's see here. So estimator. Pick that low interest plan again. It was $10,858. $10,858. And we're at $204.85. So we're going to put in $204.85 a month. Remember, don't put it here. You're going to put it right on this line here. And it's a trick. So again, we've got our 4 options. Okay, and now we want to send them. So we hit send. But we have to attach all 4 of these options here by hitting that wrench. So I hit the wrench. I selected all 4. Okay. And as we go down here, you'll see the first option is an inducer repair. Just the standard system. System with cleaner air, right? And our Supreme system with cleaner air option. It's our Cadillac, right? Next. We're going to email it. We go back to send. Click on the wrench. Reselect. Okay. Next, we want to text this. So let's text it, because not everybody always opens their emails. As you can see here, my estimate came up, so let's click on it. See what it looks like. And then I would do this with her there, and then you can go over this with the customer. So they have a need to do, right? Standard system with cleaner air, Supreme with cleaner air, and as they approve it or decline it, you say, sir, just need you to approve that. And then if you're going to do the monthly payment option, just go back into Green Sky, apply for it, put that same amount, and as simple as that.